G'day. Today I'm doing a little repair on our Haier fridge. So I really like sauce with my food, all different sorts of sauce. Barbecue sauce, hot sauce, tomato sauce, ketchup, mustard, jalapeno sauce. I'm a saucy guy. And too much sauce plus fridge door shelf equals broken fridge door. Now you can probably buy these guys new, but how much is that going to cost you? Well, probably an arm and a leg. So I did a little repair, right? So cleaned up all the cracks, actually split right through here. And so what we did was we cleaned it all up, washed it down with wax and grease remover, and used high quality super glued it back together. I cut a Perspex flat plate for the bottom as a brace, so that's all going to be hidden underneath the shelf. And then given it a wet rub down with 800 wet and dry sandpaper. So it's all fixed, right, but it looks a bit, you know, the wife's not going to like that when she opens the fridge and sees this, plus a whole shelf full of my sauce. So how am I going to fix that? Well, stickers. Gonna fix it with stickers. Alright, here we go. What do you think? Was it good? Yeah, stick it in the fridge. Check it out, done. My shelf's fixed. I'm happy because all my sauce is back at home. Bay's happy because the fridge isn't broken anymore. Everyone wins. Cool. See ya.